start with the sheer math. Modern financial markets generate thousands of price updates and indicator signals every single second, and this data never sleeps. The markets operate on a relentless 24-hour cycle. For a human being, staying alert and responsive around the clock is biologically impossible. Then there is the psychological toll. Human traders are driven by fear and greed. These emotions consistently trigger impulsive choices, forcing traders into late entries and panicked early exits. Because of this, manual trading puts you at a severe disadvantage. You are asking an emotional, biological entity to process machine-speed data in real time. To truly succeed and protect capital today, we have to completely remove human emotion and biological exhaustion from the execution process. Enter Quantum Edge Dynamics and its flagship AI, CipherHawk. This system replaces market chaos with cold, institutional control. CipherHawk does not guess, it does not predict. Instead, it meticulously classifies incoming data, assigns it a mathematical weight, and confirms its validity before making a move. This precision comes from a multimodal AI architecture, using 4 distinct large language models working simultaneously. Kimi and Perplexity process deep structural context, news, and market intelligence. Then, DeepSeek and Claude handle quantitative math, synthesizing these massive streams into a single probable decision point. This multi-layered fusion turns disorganized market noise into a highly confident, actionable narrative, entirely free of human bias. But what happens if the models disagree, or generate a high-risk signal? That is where the deterministic governance engine comes in. This is a strict digital safety net that every single AI output must pass through before any action is taken. The engine enforces hard mathematical rules. It demands a mandatory 1 to 1.5 minimum risk-to-reward ratio for every trade, projecting a $1.50 profit for every dollar risked. It also strictly prohibits stop widening, ensuring the maximum loss per trade is always capped. Once a signal clears this uncompromising governance layer, the trade executes automatically. There is absolutely zero latency, and the system operates flawlessly 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Because of this strict oversight, Quantum Edge never risks total ruin. It only risks precisely calibrated success. When applied in the real world, users don't even need to risk their own personal capital. They leverage accounts provided by partnered funding firms. This dashboard illustrates our conservative 10-month performance simulation. We begin with a baseline funded account of exactly $1 million. Over 10 months, the system generates $919,421 in net profit. That is a 91.9% return. The operational statistics behind this return are clear. The system maintains an approximate 60% win rate, backed by a flawless 99.97% uptime. These hard metrics prove that unemotional, rule-based execution vastly outperforms human capability in the markets. CipherHawk moves past the limitations of standard trading software. It treats every market movement as a raw data point that must be filtered through a rigorous mathematical governance framework. It perfectly reflects our core guiding philosophy. True market intelligence must always remain subordinate to absolute discipline. The future of finance belongs entirely to systems capable of processing vast global data streams while completely eliminating the liability of human error. Experience the ultimate engine for autonomous, disciplined trading. Welcome to Quantum Edge Dynamics.